Welcome to the comprehensive tutorial for the accessories module. Let's get started by logging into the Asset Docker platform. Navigate to the Accessories button located in the sidebar menu. Here, you will find a detailed overview of accessory statistics, displayed in a graph format. Next, you will see a list of pre-added accessory types for your convenience. If you wish to introduce a new accessory type, simply click on the Add New option and complete the required fields. The module also features a Filter Accessories function, allowing users to refine their search based on serial number, brand, asset age, location, supplier, and accessory type. In the accessories list, you will find a comprehensive inventory of accessories, along with essential information. A key feature here is the asset lifecycle, which enables users to update the status of accessories to options such as scrap, dispose, lost, or in maintenance directly from this section. Another important feature is the Assign User option. This allows you to designate a user to an accessory by selecting from a list of available users. Should you need to make adjustments, the Edit option will enable you to modify any incorrect information regarding the accessory. Additionally, you can use the Add Accessory function to introduce any new accessories to the inventory. For those looking to bulk upload accessories, simply download the provided template, fill it out, and utilize the bulk upload option to upload your data seamlessly. Thank you for your attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.